Theta and Tfuel have been holding themselves up very well, even in the face of Bitcoin's corrective behavior. My name is Kyle, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be checking in on the price action of Theta, as well as Tfuel, as Tfuel is an absolute beast today, and Theta is showing some signs of a nice little bounce as well. The question is are these coins destined for some more upside in the midterm? Let's pull up the charts and take a look. Theta up on the daily chart. And Theta not having too bad of a day today, being up about 4% at the time of recording. I see the last couple days, Theta's managing to close some daily candle bodies back up above that yellow 21 exponential moving average, and it is somewhat notable that that 21 is regaining its positive slope to the upside, at least at the time of recording. I see that Theta's held itself up fairly well in the face of Bitcoin making moves to the downside, signifying to me that overall this is definitely one of the stronger alts within the alt sector. I see that Theta made a couple reaches for the 30 simple moving average here, noted by this wick here and this one as well, but it looks like the bots and algos were right there to buy that up, and the 30 still has a positive slope to the upside. At the time of recording, Theta is combating the 10 simple moving average, which is coming in around $3.25, and I'd love to see a daily candle body closure up above that 10 simple moving average. More notably, it'd be nice to see it get above these candle bodies here, which are all coming in around $3.33. If Theta can start doing that in some daily candle body closes, then I think Theta will be ready to test this liquid zone up above. This liquid zone has a bottom side coming in around $3.71 and a top side coming in around $3.96. Getting daily candle body closures up above that level, then I think Theta will be ready for its next major leg to the upside. And of course, this all depends on what Bitcoin decides to do coming into the rest of this week, as well as the trading weeks to come, as Bitcoin could play out a deeper correction just yet. If Theta was to make moves to the downside, my downside targets remain the same. I'll be looking to this 55 exponential moving average first and foremost, which is coming in around $2.59. And from there, I'll be looking to this liquid zone. And this liquid zone has a top side coming in around $2.50 and a bottom side coming in around $2.40. If Bitcoin decides to continue to correct, then perhaps Theta works its way back down into that area there. And so long as the overall macro trajectory remains bullish within the crypto space, that could prove to be a nice buy the dip opportunity for Theta. Toggling down below to the RSI is looking to regain its footing here, has its sights set at least on that exponential moving average by the looks of things here, which does have a fairly negative slope coming in. Again, I'm going to want to see this RSI get confirmed back up above that exponential moving average and ultimately back into the bullish control zone. Down below in the stochastics are getting a fresh cross to the upside right now. This trend line never became a thing, so we'll go ahead and just get that off my chart. But this cross to the upside is not confirmed, as the trading day still has 8 hours and 35 minutes remaining, but it's overall encouraging to see this coming in basically right at the edge of the bearish control zone here. Down below in the MACD, the histogram seems to be losing its negative momentum, so we'll keep our eyes on that for the rest of the week as well. But overall, things are still looking okay for Theta here. I'm quite impressed with how well it's been able to hold itself up, even in the face of Bitcoin making its moves to the downside. Tfuel up on the daily chart. And Tfuel's looking great today, being up 16.5% at the time of recording. I see that Tfuel remains above the 10 simple moving average, and that is living right around the 9-cent mark, and this beautiful celery stick coming straight off of that. About 6 or 7 days ago, Tfuel made a reach for the downside, and what do you know? Bots and algos were right there to buy up that 21 exponential moving average, as well as this purple box liquid zone. Dropping down below to the RSI, the RSI remains in the bullish control zone and is looking to regain the exponential moving average and has room to run so long as Tfuel keeps making its way to the upside and so long as Bitcoin doesn't decide to continue its correction to the downside. However, Tfuel remains fairly unfazed by all that price action in Bitcoin, which is overall a very strong sign for an altcoin. Down below on the stochastics, momentum up as they regain the bullish control zone. Things looking good here as well. Down below in the MACD histogram seems to be regaining some positive momentum to the upside, and the moving averages are just pointed very well north right now. Overall, things are looking really good here. If Tfuel starts closing any daily candle bodies down below that 10 simple moving average around that 9-cent mark, then perhaps it'll test the 21 again, and the 21 at the time of recording is coming in around 0.074 cents. Of course, if it starts closing daily candle bodies below that 21, then likely a retest of this purple box liquid zone. That has a top side coming in around 0.064 cents and a bottom side coming in around 0.061 cents. I also see the 30 simple moving average is coming into confluence with that, and likely that would be another monumental bounce if Tfuel decides to make its way down there. It's not what it looks like is happening right now. It looks like Tfuel wants some upside, but I always talk about the possibilities of downside as well, so I can at least have a plan if price action decides to go that way. Overall, things looking really good here for Tfuel. It looks a lot stronger than Theta, at least at the time of recording, but Theta looking all right as well. So hopefully you guys are doing well out there. out wherever you are in the world. Thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until then, have yourselves a powerful day.